Hello, I'm Diksha Singh, studying in the final year belonging to the Computer Department of Saraswati College of Engineering. On behalf of my group members, today I will be presenting before you our project, Automated Detection of Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome using Neural Network Algorithm. The agenda for today's presentation will be as follows. Firstly, I would like to tell you about polycystic ovarian syndrome. Polycystic ovarian syndrome, also known as Steen-Leventhal syndrome, is a disorder in women that is characterized by an elevated level of male hormones, that is, androgens, and infrequent or absent ovulation. Due to this, the ovaries develop numerous small cysts or follicles and fail to release eggs regularly, which is why the menstrual cycle is disturbed. An ultrasound is to be performed to know the multiple cysts present in the ovaries. As you can see, the difference between a normal or a healthy ovary and a PCOS infected ovary. The ultrasound image shows holes or gaps which indicates the presence of multiple cysts. If more than 12 cysts are present, then the patient is diagnosed with PCOS. The symptoms of PCOS are as follows: weight gain, skin problems like acne or facial hair, irregular menstrual cycle, infertility, high blood pressure, and insulin resistance, which could even cause a risk of getting diabetes. How does one know that they have PCOS? If they have irregular periods, increased male hormonal count, or multiple cysts present in the ovaries. Apart from the physical tests, the most accurate way to detect PCOS is by tracing the ultrasound of the ovaries, which assures about the disorder. Hence, in this project, we have used the ultrasound images of the ovaries to detect PCOS. This is the flowchart of the architecture. In the project, we have taken ultrasound images as the input. As you can observe, the ultrasound images are very noisy, which makes it difficult to detect the follicles, and hence image pre-processing techniques were used to enhance the quality of the image. Denoising will remove all the noise and distortions from the images. Segmentation is used to partition the follicle area of the image. After the pre-processing, the data is split into testing and training. The neural network algorithm used in the project is CNN, which is Convolution Neural Network. Convolution Neural Network is a deep learning algorithm which takes an input image, assigns weights to the various objects, and learns the difference between them. As the input image is given to the model, it goes through the following layers. Max pooling helps in selecting the most prominent features from the images and discards all the other parts. The most commonly used activation function is used here, that is the ReLU, Rectified Linear Unit. Then the model is trained and tested using the testing data. The accuracy of the model is also calculated using different epochs. The input images are shown. The data is prepared using ultrasound images of the PCOS infected ovaries and the normal ones. The model is trained using different epochs as shown. This is using 10 epochs. So as you can see, we got 66% accuracy with 10 epochs. So as we change the number of epochs, the accuracy changes. The model is tested and the accuracy was found to be 69% as shown. I'd like to conclude the presentation by saying that CNN is the best model amongst the other models that were used to detect PCOS. CNN reduces the images into a form which is easier to process without losing features which are critical for getting a good prediction, giving us an accuracy of 69%. The model can be used in hospitals and radiology centers for the easy classification of PCOS patients. The system can be further designed in order to give a complete report with precautions to be taken by the patients with PCOS. So I hope that with this presentation, you have understood our project thoroughly. Thank you.